What if the next 10 minutes could change everything about your financial life? What if, just by hearing a few powerful words, you could trigger something so unexpected that your bank account starts to reflect it, fast? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's not a myth. In fact, people all over the world are experiencing sudden, unexplained financial blessings after doing exactly what you're about to hear in this video. It may sound too good to be true, but science, spirituality, and ancient wisdom all point to one powerful truth: your thoughts and emotions shape your reality. Today, you're going to discover something most people never hear about: the missing piece in the law of attraction that actually causes money to appear from places you least expect. This is not just about positive thinking. It's about a very specific technique, a powerful combination of sound, focus, and feeling that activates the energy of abundance within and around you. Imagine checking your bank account minutes after doing this and seeing something new. An unexpected deposit. A refund you didn't know was coming. A gift. A payment. It has happened to others. And today, it could happen to you. In this video, we're going deep. You'll learn the truth about frequency commands and why sound affects your financial energy. Why unexpected money often shows up when you stop chasing and start aligning. A short yet potent affirmation you must listen to and repeat right now. Real stories of people who received money within hours of hearing this message. And no, this isn't just feel-good talk. Some of the most successful minds in history, from Nikola Tesla to Neville Goddard, understood the secret power of energy, vibration, and intention. They knew that the universe responds to clarity and conviction, not desperation. So, if you're tired of waiting, struggling, or feeling like abundance is always just out of reach, this is your moment. Watch this video till the very end. Because every second holds a key. Miss one, and you might miss the shift. Welcome to Bright Mind Within, your space for unlocking powerful truths hidden in plain sight. If you're ready to stop surviving and start attracting the life you deserve, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Your journey toward unexpected money begins right now. The law of attraction is based on a simple but powerful idea: what you think about, you bring about. It suggests that your thoughts are not just invisible passing ideas. They're signals. Energy. Vibrations that interact with the world around you. Just like a magnet, your mind attracts experiences that match your dominant thoughts and emotions. When your mind is focused on lack, stress, or fear about money, you attract more situations that reflect that. But when you begin to shift your focus, when you start thinking thoughts of abundance, gratitude, and wealth, you change your frequency. And the universe responds. This isn't just spiritual talk. It's something that's been echoed by scientists, philosophers, and even some of the world's most successful people. Your subconscious mind plays a huge role in how your reality forms. It doesn't question what's real or imagined, it just accepts what you repeatedly tell it. And when you feed it thoughts of prosperity, confidence, and possibility, it begins to open up new paths for you to receive. That's why so many people have seen real results after practicing law of attraction techniques. They report finding forgotten money, receiving surprise gifts, landing unexpected jobs, or seeing deposits they didn't expect. It often happens when they least expect it, but it always follows a shift in mindset. There are countless stories of people who used simple tools like daily affirmations, visualizations, or sound frequencies, and suddenly received a financial blessing. Sometimes within a day. Sometimes within hours. These stories all share a common thread: belief, alignment, and emotional focus. When these three come together, something powerful happens. Reality bends, often in your favor. And what seemed impossible begins to unfold in ways you couldn't have planned. Positive affirmations are more than just feel-good phrases, they are tools to reprogram the mind. Your thoughts shape how you see the world, and affirmations help you choose those thoughts with purpose. When you repeat certain phrases daily, especially ones tied to abundance, your mind begins to accept them as truth. This isn't about lying to yourself. It's about reminding your subconscious what's possible. Most people are raised with limiting beliefs about money. Thoughts like money is hard to get, or I never have enough, run silently in the background, influencing decisions, actions, and outcomes. But when you replace those thoughts with empowering ones, your energy shifts. And that shift attracts different results. Affirmations speak directly to that deeper part of the mind, the part that creates your habits and expectations. When you say something like, I am open to receiving unexpected financial blessings, you're giving your mind a new direction. You're telling it to watch for opportunities, to believe that good things can come without struggle. Another powerful one is, money flows to me easily and effortlessly. It sends a message that receiving wealth doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to take years. It can happen with ease, just like breathing. These affirmations are most effective when spoken with feeling. Emotion gives them power. Repetition gives them strength. Many people use affirmations in the morning or just before sleep, when the mind is most receptive. Over time, they notice small changes, sudden ideas, unexpected offers, or surprise payments. What seemed like coincidence often turns out to be a direct result of their inner shift. The words we say to ourselves, again and again, quietly shape the reality we live in. And when those words are rooted in abundance, the results often are too. Close your eyes for a moment and take a deep breath. Let go of any stress or worries, just for now. Picture yourself holding your phone in your hand or sitting at your computer. You open your banking app or log into your account like you've done many times before. But this time, something's different. You notice a new notification. A deposit has arrived, one you weren't expecting. Maybe it's a payment you forgot about, a refund, a gift, or something completely unexplained. But it's there. Real. Clear. The amount makes your heart skip a beat. It's more than just numbers. It's a sign. A shift. A moment where things start to turn in your favor. Feel the emotion rise inside you. That wave of relief. That spark of joy. That deep sense of safety. For the first time in a while, you feel supported. You feel like the universe is listening. You don't have to figure it all out right now. Because something is working for you. Behind the scenes. Silently. Faithfully. Let that feeling grow. Smile. Imagine what you'll do with that money. Maybe it helps cover something urgent. Maybe you treat yourself. Maybe it's just the beginning. The beginning of more to come. Breathe in that feeling of abundance. Of freedom. Of ease. Let it fill your chest, your heart, your whole being. You are in alignment. You're not begging or chasing. You're simply allowing. Receiving. Trusting that more is on its way. You don't need to know the how. Just stay in this energy. The feeling is the key. Let your mind believe it. Let your body feel it. Let your heart welcome it. Because it's already on the way. There are countless real stories from people who've used simple mindset techniques, affirmations, visualizations, and gratitude, and received unexpected money. These aren't celebrities or wealthy entrepreneurs. They're everyday people, just like you, who decided to shift their thinking. One woman shared how she started repeating the affirmation, I am a magnet for financial blessings, every morning before work. She didn't expect much. But within 3 days, she received a message from an old client who wanted to pay her for something she had forgotten about. The amount? Enough to cover her rent that month. Another man was struggling with bills and had almost given up on the law of attraction. But instead of quitting, he tried something different. Each night, before bed, he visualized opening his bank account and feeling excitement. Within a week, he got a surprise bonus at work that wasn't even scheduled. It felt like life had finally noticed him. Then there's the student who listened to a money mantra audio on repeat while studying. She kept telling herself, money comes to me in unexpected ways. One morning, she found an envelope with cash in her mailbox from a relative who said they had felt called to help her, without knowing what she was going through. These stories aren't magic tricks. They're example of what can happen when you align your energy, shift your focus, and trust the process. It doesn't always happen overnight. Sometimes it's small at first. But what matters most is the mindset. Staying open, staying grateful, and believing it's possible changes the way you move through the world. You stop acting from fear and start living from faith. And when you do that, the unexpected often finds a way in. Sometimes, just when you need it most. If you want to start attracting financial blessings into your life, don't just hear these words, live them. Make the affirmations part of your daily routine. Say them in the morning when you wake up. Say them at night before you sleep. Say them when you feel doubt creeping in. Speak them out loud or whisper them quietly to yourself. Let them become your new inner voice. Take just a few minutes each day to visualize. Picture the money already in your account. Imagine the relief, the freedom, the excitement. The more real it feels in your mind, the easier it becomes for your life to match that energy. You don't need hours. Even 5 minutes of focused belief can make a difference. And when something happens, big or small, don't keep it to yourself. Share it. Drop a comment and let us know what came into your life. Maybe it's a refund. Maybe it's a gift. Maybe it's a sudden opportunity. Your story could inspire someone else who's waiting for their moment. We're all connected, and every shared experience sends out waves of belief. Remember, this journey isn't just about money. It's about energy, focus, and the stories we tell ourselves. The more you train your mind to expect good things, the more good things you'll start to see. Mindset really is everything. It shapes your decisions, your reactions, and what you're willing to believe is possible. Thank you for spending this time with us. If you found even one idea that lifted your spirit or sparked hope, make sure to subscribe. This channel, Bright Mind Within, is here to guide you toward more abundance, peace, and clarity. We believe in your power to manifest the life you want, starting right now.